Curlies? Welcome to my channel, Curly Tales. I'm Talise. First off, I want to say thank you for clicking on this video. Today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be trying Nature's Little Secret Rose Hydrating Conditioner, which looks like this. And the package says, "Aren't roses pretty? Not only are they beautiful, but they are great for hair care. Rose water hydrates and moisturizes your hair. It also helps balance pH and soothe your scalp. Rose water naturally conditions hair. It detangles your hair easily and makes it soft and more manageable. Our handmade rose hydrating conditioner will have your hair hydrated, moisturized, and luscious." It says it's made with nature's ingredients and it's sulfate, paraben, phthalate, silicone, and dye-free. It says apply to freshly cleansed hair and detangle with wide tooth comb or fingers. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with cool water. For intense conditioning, sit under dryer or steamer for 20 minutes. Next, use Nature's Little Secret leave-in conditioner. So because this says use a leave-in conditioner after this, I'm going to take it that this is a deep conditioner, but it does not say anywhere on here that it's a deep conditioner. So hopefully it will work like a deep conditioner and make my hair feel amazing. So the scent is very light. This is what the product looks like on my hands. It is very creamy. It feels amazing. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. And make sure you hit that subscribe button right below this video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. So I'm working on freshly co-washed hair. And before I co-washed, I pre-pooed my hair. And I did a hot oil treatment using the Nature's Little Secret herbal oil, and I absolutely loved it. That oil is the bomb. Feeling rejuvenated, and so my hair is already feeling rejuvenated. So now I'm just gonna spray him now. Now I'm gonna start with about this much. Okay, so this conditioner definitely has slip, and I was able to detangle this full section with just my fingers. And this is what my hair is looking like after I have applied the deep conditioner to this whole section. So I'm definitely loving it so far, and now I'm going to detangle my hair with my wet brush. that I finished applying the deep conditioner to one side of my head, I'm going to complete the rest of my deep conditioning routine off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys what my hair is looking like once I rinse the deep conditioner out. Okay, I just rinsed the deep conditioner out, and this is what my hair is looking like. My hair feels amazingly soft. I have definition going crazy, and it feels so moisturized. When it comes to rating this deep conditioner, I am very ready to give it a 10 out of 10. It is giving my hair so much love and moisture, and it just feels so good. It feels amazing. There hasn't been one Nature's Little Secret product that I haven't liked, so if you guys haven't tried them, you should definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you for watching.